Hello guys, this is St. Kilda Botanical Garden. Very beautiful guys, so and they have roses there, beautiful roses. And my daughter and my dog. Look at this guys, so oh my god, look at these beautiful flowers guys. Ayan, beautiful flowers, yellow flowers, and all beautiful roses. Oh my god, this is amazing, beautiful place. You pink flower. Look at that guys. So amazing. The dog. The dog galing the love garden to. Look at this guys. This is paradise. I love this yellow, surrounded by different color of roses, and my dog enjoy to. So beautiful. Look at that guy. Beautiful garden. And also guys, did you see the beautiful pine tree? Very beautiful. The roses almost dry out.